Kamusta mga tangay and welcome back sa akong vlog. Today, I'm documenting something special. Independence Day celebration ng Mandadi. And look at us, we started super early. Mabusisi ang decorations pero ang ganda ng energy from the start pa lang. Tapos ang nakaka-touch, nung dumating ang mga participants, hampawarang talaga sanday hesitate. Tanan sanda kanya-kanyang tabang. Imagine, puro leaders and managers sa mga Filipino digi. Pero rangat arte-arte. Walang ego. Well, that's the real Pinoy spirit. Unity, collaboration, and true bayanihan. Why di ba? Madagmit, ingisip ta na it's quite a challenge to organize an event, especially with so many leaders and managers involved. Pero kay na, we proved that when we carry a common goal together, no task is ever too heavy. Kanya-kanyang kinol, everyone stepped up and took initiative. Tuwing participate ang tanan, natapos naman ang tanan in no time. Nasayangan ako talaga sa first party ang program ay ko na video. Pero guys, promise, pasabo gandang mga hugot and kasabihan. Tapos agdarason do ng mga palarong Pinoy, grabe lisang. Halos tanan sanda competitive. Dito mo makikita na kahit mataas ang posisyon sa trabaho, pagabot sa karawat, medyong mga bastok, sobrang solid ng energy. Mamanangad, it was totally different. Seeing everyone just enjoy that moment, it was the best part of the day. After mapagod, lunch buffet na. And yes, may lechon. Durong kasaburang tanan. And our lunch was followed by more games with a twist. Grabing kalisang. Iba talaga ang humor nating mga Pinoy, no? And to wrap the event, may dyan kitang pa-surprise awarding kananda. Dato lamang si Punks kangod talaga pag maguruli rin ng tanan. Tadya mama namang celebration ni ang 128th Philippines Independence Day. God bless mga tangay. Au revoir.